You want makeup tutorial? I'll give you makeup tutorial. I'm gonna show you 4 of my favorite eyeshadow looks that literally anyone can do. It's so easy, don't worry that. The first one is the halo. I only use this brush, the round one, and the flat brush. I already took a darker eyeshadow on my flat brush. Now I'm just gonna pack it on. Do it on your outer corner and your inner corner and left the middle one empty. Now that you're done with both sides, take the round brush and use a lighter transition shade. I have a light peachy tone on here and then just blend the crease. Now you can see it's a lot less harsher here when you blend the darker and the lighter together. Now take a shimmer shade on your finger and put it in the middle part where it's empty before. Blend, blend, blend. And basically just do the same thing under your eye. And this is what it looks like when it's done. So cute. The second one is the Smoky. Take your blackest of black eyeshadow on your flat brush and then just pack it on all over. Now that you have something like this, just blend it. Blend it with the round brush. Blend. Then I'm gonna take another dark brown shade and then wing it out. Blend in the crease too. Make sure the wing ends at the tail of your eyebrows, like that. Clean it up with micellar water if you have to. And this is what it looks like when it's done. I just brought the black underneath my eyes and then shimmer in the inner corner just to bring life from the darkness. And then it's always good to pair with nude lipstick because you don't want to overwhelm your whole face. The third one is the soft cut crease. I'm going to use red this time. I'm using bright red on the crease and darker red to deepen the crease again. Winging it out again. I'm putting black on the outer crease for more intensity. After bringing the red under my eye, I'm going to take micellar water and clean a little bit here. After that, you can use any shimmer shade you want. I use green and put it here. And this is the soft cut crease. I know some people have a hard time doing a precise cut crease. That's why I'm showing a simple one first. And the last one is the Alt Girl eyeshadow. With what we already have here, I'm going to drag the color down. Pair it with bold eyeliners. Take your mascara and just smudge it. Now you're a TikTok alt girl. Like and follow for part 2.